You decide you need to hire the best lawyer you can find to represent you in a lawsuit against your careless doctor. And now you need to know that when you go in to speak to an attorney, did you know that the attorney evaluates whether or not what you are saying is truthful? How does the attorney even know whether what you are saying is truthful from a factual standpoint? You want to know the answer? You think they hook you up to a lie detector? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And the answer is no, we don't hook you up to a lie detector. That's number one. But number two, when somebody comes in, they have a strong belief, a strong understanding that something was done wrong to them. And as a result of that wrongdoing, they now suffered some terrible injury. You may not know the exact method or mechanism which caused your particular injury, and that's perfectly okay. But there are instances where some people coming in to hire an attorney have an ulterior motive. Maybe they want revenge against a doctor, or they want to get back at somebody. And now they think that the way to do it is by bringing a lawsuit to try and make them pay as compensation. Well, you should know that an attorney's goal when they listen to you in the very first meeting is to try and understand what happened to you. What was done wrong? How did that wrongdoing cause your injury? What is the severity of your injury? How badly disabled are you now because of those injuries? How does this affect you on a daily basis? Your attorney evaluates your credibility the moment you walk into the door. Are you being honest with him? Are you being sincere? If your attorney gets the sense that you are not being sincere and truthful, and that there are contradictions and red flags going up in his mind, now he's going to be second-guessing whether what you are saying is in fact true. Either way, an attorney has an ethical and a legal obligation to investigate your matter if he chooses to take on your case to investigate. Now, what does that mean? It means he now has to verify what you are saying is true. So how do we do that? We do that by accumulating all of your medical records to determine what it was you did, where you went, who you saw, what you complained of, what did the doctor do, what did the doctor not do. We have to confirm that you have a valid basis for a case. We have to confirm that the doctor was careless and that his carelessness was a cause of your injury. There has to be a connection. And now we have to confirm that your injuries are significant and permanent in a medical malpractice case. And we do that with the use of medical experts who have reviewed all of your records. Only then, once we have confirmation, can we then go forward. If it turns out that you are being less than truthful or are hiding something from the attorney, that information, believe it or not, is going to come out. If it doesn't come out in the initial meeting, I guarantee you that if you're hiding something and fail to tell your attorney certain key information during the course of your lawsuit, the defense is going to learn that information and use it against you, not only during your pretrial question and answer session, but they're going to definitely use it against you at trial. And if you fail to tell your attorney about this at the very beginning, you're now going to be at a huge disadvantage. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at how these medical malpractice cases work here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if you're considering bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.